Hey friends, Coach Smith here from CrossFit by Design. Today we're going to talk about 10-minute squat test. We did this in the box yesterday, we've done it a few times, and it's always interesting to see, what kind of comes out of the 10-minute squat test. So what I'll do is just kind of go over a scaling method first. Well, not necessarily a scaling method, but a way to make it a little bit easier. And that is to just get into the band. Stole this method from Kelly Starrett. I mean, we get most of our stuff, I get most of the stuff from Kelly Starrett anyway, from MWOD. And basically, I like Kelly's philosophy of, you're trying to change people's perception of what is normal. It's a very normal thing to be able to just drop down into this squat. And yet when we get people to do it in the box who haven't practiced it, it's like you're asking them something big, man. Like, it's a big deal, but realistically I should just be able to spend time here. Man, this band is really in the way. But the band is a good thing because I can basically sit back, try and get this vertical shin so I can work, like maybe ankle mobility is a bit of an issue, and I can sort of come forward and just slowly, while I keep my heel on the ground, just get a little bit of a mobilization through there. As long as you're not letting your knees come in, you're good to go. One of the best ways to stop that is to not toe out. If I toe out too much, then straight away it's just so easy for my knee to cave in like that. So straight feet or a little bit of angle is where you want to be. And then I can just spend time in the band, a little bit of time here. If I start to get, sore or anywhere starts to burn, then that's when you want to stop. Pause your time, pause your 10 minutes, roll out, stretch out, do what you need to do, and then, get back into it. So accumulate 10 minutes in the bottom of your squat. Ways you can do that too. So if you're a bit of a guru, and this is kind of like, you're not even on the band, so say you are somebody who's just able to drop to the squat, I got a nice upright torso, then maybe you practice just getting into, I'll just shift over so you can see, like this pistol position here, well, not so much a pistol, but that Cossack squat position, sorry, and I can still move around in this bottom position here because I'm still, I'm still ass to grass kind of thing. I personally need to grab the pole because otherwise I'm okay, but it's not the best position. So I grab the pole, keeping reasonably good positions. Come back to here, practice the bottom of the squat, a bit more ankle range, just like that. And like we spoke about in the last video, you want to keep those straight feet, make that a priority, keep your knees out, just spend some time in the bottom of this squat. You don't always have to do 10 minutes, maybe you just drop down a couple of minutes a day and just start to change what is normal. Like, I don't always sit on a chair, maybe I just drop to this paleo chair, or couch stretch or whatever. Spend a bit of time working on this outside of, especially you guys from CrossFit by Design, outside of the 10-minute squat test, because there's never going to be enough time for us to work on absolutely everything. So if this is a big weakness of yours, then spend time by yourself, cracking on with it, bro. Thanks guys.